Hi guys, today we are going to show how to jailbreak the iPhone 4S running iOS 9. The iPhone 4S does not run modern apps anymore, and many built-in apps do not work, so we recommend jailbreaking. Welcome to the channel and let's get started. First, you need to go to the Safari and then type the address carbon.sep.lol. Click run. Sometimes it will say a problem occurred with this webpage, so it was reloaded. Click the run button several times and then it will work. It will also say storage almost full. You can manage storage and settings. This is normal. Click on the home button. Once the device is restarted, unlock your phone and go to the new Cydia application. This will get this page, so click on return to Cydia and will get essential upgrades. You can upgrade the Cydia upgrades. So if you want to add the source, go to sources, edit, add, and then type the source. The source will automatically be added. So that's how to jailbreak iPhone 4S on iOS 9. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching.